Hello guys! Ayan. Galing kami sa basketball ng alaga ko. Dadaan kami dito. Ayan. Gusto daw niyang mag-park. So, dito muna ako. No? Okay. Kasi, bibili ako ng Bluetooth. Ayan. Oh. Ito yung malalaking koi fish. So, ang ano ko dito ay ito, lotus. Ayan, lotus. Wala pa. Hindi pa siya okay. Come on! Hi! On the next side. Ayan, lotus. Ayan. My kitty kid watching the koi fish. Showing. Wow, so big. A turtle. Come on there. On the next. Come on here. Come on here. Oh, you see? You see there? Nice. Oh. Yan. You know this one? There. Here. Ay, it's wet. You see? Here. Oh, so many. Yeah. No, it's 3. You see? Turtle. Turtle. So many turtle. Habang ang mga okay. Ang mga lotus ay ayan. Oh. Ayan ang lotus. Oh, mga ibang okay. Wow, so many. Ayan, sigaw ng sigaw siya, oh. Be careful. Oh. No, jump. Huh? Huh? Oh, so many turtle. So many fish.
I see the long turtle.
Oh, you see the mouth?
He's climbing.
Oh, so many. Yeah, it's climbing.
Why?
Oops, come on. No. No. Cannot, don't want. Cannot, don't touch. Yeah, if you don't touch like this. Oh.
Why number climbing?
Come on. Let's go.
Let me see it there.
Oh, only show. Wow, the bird.
Wait, where is it?
Eh, so many tree.
Oh.
You see? Ayan guys, ang bait ng bird.
With the bird.
Oh,
What's he moving?
bait ng
Why
bird.
is he moving again?
Huh?
Why is he moving?
Oh, wow! It's a bird, so big.
Check the camera.
I cannot see before. You see? Wow! Oh, hey! No? Yeah. It's a bird. Watching the fish. Oh, you see?
Oh my God! There's a police.
Yes. Oh, let's go. Alaga mo, be? Ah, anak mo? Ah, lalaki. Yeah. Mga old tenant. Ay, old tenant. Mga white card. Ayan. Oh, Pinay. Turtle. Now there. Come on, the next one. The next one here. Yeah? Oh. No long time. Wow. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. It's the bird. Kulit, oh. Ayan, guys. Oh. Wow. You see the bird? Oh. It's a pink. Tapos, ang yellow. Ayan. Yellow. Alaga ko na doon. Hey! Ayan, oh. Hindi pa siya masyadong malago. Come on there. It's a flower. It's a lotus flower. Yes. Catch the turtle. Oh, ayan. Ikot-ikot kami, guys. Kasi gusto niyang makakita ng... Oh. Yes. Here. Yaw. Ayan. Ang mga lotus. Also big. You see? Turtle big. Ayan. Mayroon dito
Where?
pink. Lotus naman. Medyo malikot ang mata at ang camera kasi mayroon akong alagang bata. Oh, come on here. So many there. So many. Come on here. Yeah, so many there. Here, come on there. You see the pig. Oh. Oh. Oh, you see? Oh. Wow, pinapakain po nila. Oh.
Aya, baby! Don't skip!
Ayan, that's why ang daming
Fish.
pumapuntang fish at saka turtle kasi may mga nahuhulog. Come on. Ayan, ang cute ng cute ng lotus. Ayan. Lotus. So, ayan, medyo hindi po ako makakonsentrate kasi you watch the turtle.
Go to park.
You go to the park. Ayan, at meron ditong malaking lotus. Ayan. So, my green. Nice. May niko yaw inside. Oh. Ganda. Niko. Yaw. Oh, ayan oh. Mayroon siyang green oh. So, buto ata yan oh. Ah. Ayan. So nice. It's a flower. Ah? Ayan, maraming guys, mga batingting. Oh, mga pasyal, oras ng gala. Ayan. Meron ding kulay pink na. Ayan, iba naman siya. Lalabas pala yung buto niya kapag siya ay nakabukadkad na. Ayun na. At paglabas ng buto niya, ayun na. Oh, yun na siya. Magiging flower na. So, welcome to... Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye. I love you. Ang alaga ko nandoon. Mahirap mag-concentrate. Ayan. Ang aking alaga.